Hey everyone! Welcome back to my English learning channel. If you're new here, I'm Reem, and this is the place where you learn real, simple, and natural English, step by step. Today's topic is something very personal and meaningful, talking about your family. We talk about our family all the time when we introduce ourselves, make new friends, or share stories. So in today's episode, you'll learn common family vocabulary, how to describe your parents, siblings, and relatives, how to talk about your family in conversations, and some fun example sentences and expressions. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's start learning together. Part 1. Basic family vocabulary. Let's start with the core family words, the people closest to you. Relationship, word, example. Father, dad. My dad is a teacher. Mother, mom. My mom loves cooking. Parents, no word. My parents live in the countryside. Son, no word. They have one son. Daughter, no word. Her daughter is 6 years old. Child, plural, children. They have 2 children. Husband, her husband works in an office. Wife, his wife is a doctor. Example sentences. My father is very kind and my mother is caring. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. My parents live near the beach. I have 2 kids. Tip: in informal English, people often say dad and mom instead of father and mother. Part 2. Talking about brothers and sisters. The next important words are brother and sister. Brother means a male sibling. Sister means a female sibling. If you have more than one, brothers or sisters. Now let's add some common phrases. Older brother, younger brother. Elder sister, younger sister. Examples: I have an older brother and a younger sister. My elder sister works abroad. My younger brother loves playing football. When you don't have siblings, you can say, I'm an only child. Example: I don't have any brothers or sisters. I'm an only child. Part 3. Talking about extended family. Now let's talk about the bigger family circle, also called extended family. Relationship, meaning, example. Grandfather, father's or mother's father. My grandfather is 80 years old. Grandmother, father's or mother's mother. My grandmother makes delicious food. Grandparents, both together. I visit my grandparents every weekend. Uncle, father's or mother's brother. My uncle lives in Canada. Aunt, father's or mother's sister. My aunt is very funny. Cousin, uncle's or aunt's child. My cousin and I are the same age. Nephew, your brother's or sister's son. My nephew is 3 years old. Niece, your brother's or sister's daughter. My niece likes painting. Example sentences. I have 5 cousins and we're very close. My uncle is a doctor and my aunt is a nurse. My grandparents tell great stories about their childhood. Part 4. Talking about family members' jobs or hobbies. We often talk about what our family members do for work or like to do. Examples: my father is a businessman. My mother is a teacher. My brother studies at university. My sister loves music and plays the guitar. My uncle works in a hospital. My cousin likes playing cricket. Useful patterns. My family member is an job. My family member likes hobby or interest. Example. My dad is a driver and he loves traveling. My mom enjoys gardening in her free time. Part 5. Describing your family's personality. We can also describe our family members' personality and behavior using adjectives. Here are some common ones. Positive, meaning kind, helpful and nice. Friendly, easy to talk to. Hardworking, works a lot. Funny, makes people laugh. Caring, shows love and concern. Honest, tells the truth. Patient, stays calm. Example sentences. My dad is very hardworking. My mom is kind and friendly. My sister is funny. She always makes me laugh. My grandfather is wise and patient. Part 6. Talking about family activities. Now let's talk about what you do together as a family. Common expressions. We have dinner together. We go for walks in the evening. We watch movies on weekends. We visit relatives during holidays. We celebrate festivals together. Examples. Every Friday, my family eats dinner together. On weekends, we watch TV and play games. During Eid or Christmas, we visit our grandparents. My family loves cooking together on Sundays. Part 7. Talking about family traditions. Family traditions are special activities or customs that you do regularly. Examples: we always have lunch together on Fridays. We decorate our home for the new year. My family celebrates birthdays with a big meal. We take a family photo every year. Sample dialogue, monologue style. In my family, we have a small tradition. Every Friday night, we eat biryani together and talk about our week. It's my favorite time because we laugh, share stories, and enjoy being together. Traditions make families closer, and they're great to talk about when sharing personal stories in English. Part 8. Talking about where your family lives. When talking about your family, you can mention where they live. Examples: my parents live in Chittagong. My brother lives in Dhaka. Most of my relatives live in the same city. My grandparents live in a small village. Useful phrases: they live near, they live far away from, they live abroad. Example: my uncle lives abroad. He works in Australia. Part 9. Talking about family size. You can describe your family as a small family or a big family. Examples: I come from a small family, just my parents and me. I have a big family with 3 brothers and 2 sisters. My extended family is huge. I have many cousins and uncles. These are common ways people describe their families in conversation. Part 10. Common expressions when talking about family. Let's learn some natural, everyday English expressions. I'm close to my family means I have a good relationship with them. We get along well means we don't fight much. We spend a lot of time together. We always support each other. My parents are very understanding. My siblings and I sometimes argue, but we love each other. Example paragraph: I'm very close to my family. My parents are supportive, and we love spending time together. My sister and I sometimes argue about small things, but we always make up quickly. That's how you talk naturally about family relationships in English. Part 11, Example Monologue. Let's put it all together. Here's an example of how you might talk about your family. I come from a small but loving family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my sister, and me. My father is an engineer. He's hardworking and kind. My mother is a teacher. She's caring and loves cooking. My sister is younger than me. She studies in high school and loves music. We live in a nice neighborhood. On weekends, we usually watch movies together or visit our grandparents. Every year, we celebrate our birthdays with a big meal. I'm very close to my family. They always support and encourage me. That's a perfect short talk for an English-speaking practice session. Part 12, Common Questions about Family. When speaking to others, you can ask questions like, do you have any brothers or sisters? How many people are there in your family? What does your father do? Where do your parents live? Do you live with your family? Are you close to your cousins? Example conversation. A. Do you have any siblings? B. Yes, I have 2 brothers. A. Oh, really? What do they do? B. One is a student and the other works in a company. Part 13, Practice Time. Try answering these yourself. How many people are in your family? What do your parents do? Who are you closest to in your family? What do you do together on weekends? Practicing answers out loud helps you build confidence and fluency. Part 14, Cultural Note. In English-speaking cultures, people often talk about their families casually and openly. It's common to share stories like, my dad loves football, my mom is a great cook, my brother just got married. These short sentences are great for small talk and help you connect with others. Part 15, Quick Recap. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Vocabulary for close family, parents, siblings, children. Vocabulary for extended family, cousins, uncles, aunts, grandparents. How to describe your family's jobs, hobbies, and personality. How to talk about family traditions. Example monologues and sentences. Now you can confidently talk about your family in English anywhere, anytime. All right, my friends, that's all for today's episode, talking about family, vocabulary for parents, siblings, and relatives. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Try using these words when you talk about your own family. It's a great way to practice speaking English naturally. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below and tell me how many people are in your family. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.